Hey guys, today my hoverboard is not working, and the problem why a hoverboard won't work, see, if I turn it on, the button's right here. So if it won't turn on, the best thing to do is get a new charger. You literally just put the charger right here, let it charge like for 3 whole hours, and then it probably might work. If it doesn't work, please comment down below and I'll probably get to answer your question and I'll make another video about it. So my charger's I think coming on Tuesday, so it might see it's not gonna work. Which I really love my hoverboard. Like I really want it to be back. I haven't tried it for a year. My other charger doesn't really work. So let me show you guys the brand of the charger. Okay. So this is the charger right here, and the plug. So right here, you basically take this charger right here, if you can see, and you put it in here. I'm not gonna put it right now because it's gonna do something. So you just basically put it right in here. You have to look at the cord, and you look at these little 3 dots. You have to match those little 3 dots. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe, turn my post notifications on so you never miss a video, and comment down below. So yeah, bye.